Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakarkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim scattered to the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a recent news article, but this is from Twitter, which is formerly known. Now it's known as X right now because it's usually known as Twitter. And this is from News Arabia English News. And this is reported on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. And it says an earthquake of a magnitude of a earthquake measuring a 6.2 magnitude has struck the Helmeria, Indonesia. The German Research Center for Geoscience says. Matter of fact, if I can click on to the news article. Yup. And it says a magnitude of a 6.2 earthquake strikes Indonesia's north, the GFZ reports. And it says, this was as of September 11, 2023 at 5:03 p.m. and last updated at 5:40 p.m. by Reuters, and it measures in magnitude. An earthquake measure of a 6.2 struck Indonesia's North Maluku province on Monday, the German Research Center for Geoscience says. The Indonesia Geological Agency pegged at the magnitude at 5.9 with no threat of tsunami. And I believe recently they just had I believe it was a 6.0 earthquake. I believe it was as of yesterday. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it was like a 5.7 to like 5.9 or 6.0 in that measure day before yesterday. So this is another new earthquake, and this was a magnitude of a 6.2 from the scale of 5.9 to 6.2. And it says the quake was at epicenter was 11 kilometers and 6.8 miles northeast of Johor City, north of Maluku, with the depth of 168 kilometers and 104 miles, the agency added. It says there were no immediate reports of damage or casualties. It says Indonesia's straddles the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire, an area of a high systematic activity that rests atop multiple tectonic plates. This is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3. It's lucky if I spelled it wrong. Right, this is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3. Therefore, when there should be seen earthquakes, right? That's the key word, earthquakes, and uproars of the people in the world. And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. And a great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. This book of Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6. It's the book of Isaiah, chapter 29, and verse 6, and reads the Holy Scriptures. And thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and the flames of devouring fire. So with that, Hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article over there in Indonesia, and it was a magnitude of a 6.2 earthquake in the north part of Maluku as of September the 11th, 2023. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Karkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.